everyone, I am Shirlene Degatan, and for today I will be showing the relationship in between biodiversity and human health in our community. So karon maglibot ta gamay to show you some living organism nga makita nato diri and how they affect our health. This is mango tree, helps produce oxygen and clean the air. It also gives shade and helps keep the surroundings cool. Connection to human health. This tree is important because it gives us fresh air to breathe. Also, it produces mango fruit, which are healthy and give us vitamins. So help the environment and health. So here we have an insect which is an ant. Makita rin sila usually sa ground or near food and very common ni sila sa atwang surroundings. Sa environment, ants play an important role because they help clean small waste like leftover food and dead insect. In a way, murag sila og cleaners sa environment, helping keep things balanced. And for human health, ants can be helpful because they help reduce waste around us. But at the same time, if daghan sila inside the house, especially near food, pwede sila makakontaminate and mahimong unhygienic. So, importante gid na we keep our surrounding clean para makontrol pud ang mga presence of ants. Lastly, we have an animals, which is this chicken. Common na kayo ni siya sa ato ang community, especially sa mga balay or farms. Sa environment, chicken helps control insect and small pests because they eat them. So makatabang sila to maintain balance in the ecosystem. For human health, chickens are very important because they provide food like eggs and meat, which give us protein and nutrients na kailangan sa atuang body. Pero at the same time, if dili sila properly taken care of, pwede sila makadala og bacteria or diseases mo na importante gyud ang proper hygiene and cleanliness. Looking around our surroundings, makita na nga our environment really affects our health. If clean ang area, we have fresh air and less risk of diseases. But if naay basura or stagnant water, mahimo ni siya og breeding grounds sa mosquitoes which can cause dengue. Also, pollution like smoke can affect our lungs and breathing. So, importante gyud nga atong ampingan ato ang environment. So this activity, I realized that even the smallest living things like plants, animals, and insects are very important in our environment. Dili lang sila ordinaryo nga makita nato everyday. They are all under rule and maka-affect sa ato ang health. I also realized nga biodiversity is connected yun sa ato ang daily life. For example, plants give us clean air. Animals give us food, and even insects help maintain balance in nature. Without them, maapektuhan gid ato ang health and environment. In my daily life, biodiversity helps me pinaagi sa clean air nga ato ang ginhawa, the food that I eat, and the environment where I live. If healthy ang environment, mas healthy food ta. For my suggestion, to improve community health, we should practice proper waste disposal, keep our surroundings clean, avoid stagnant water para malikayan ang mosquitoes, and magtanom og more plants. Even small actions can make a big difference.